how to change ISO on Blackmagic camera. So the ISO on your camera is referred to as the numerical value that represents camera sensitivity to light. So if you think that the camera is too sensitive to light, you can reduce the camera sensitivity and you can also increase the camera sensitivity. So here, I'm going to walk you through how you can easily increase the ISO or lower the ISO on your camera. So if you're not of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the Blackmagic camera on your phone. Once open the Blackmagic camera, locate ISO here and then click on that. Now to increase the intensity of the light or the light that the camera accumulated, just drag it like this. You can see that. So this is going to make the camera white as increase the intensity of the light depending on your location. You see that? Then you can also scroll down to reduce the intensity of the light. So if you have so much light, you want to make sure you reduce the ISO. So, and if you have little light or the light is not that much, then you want to make sure you increase the ISO. So because of the light of my location, you can see I have to put the ISO to 34. So if I choose to go with 100, then I'm going to have something white. So because the light on this device is kind of much, so that is why you see everywhere just white out like this. So the best thing to do when you want to change your ISO on the Blackmagic camera is control the intensity of the light that the camera absorbs. So that is basically how to change Blackmagic ISO on your phone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.